Okay guys, this is the 69 Dodge Charger RT that was in the collection of 5 cars that were found in the backyard down in Mesa, Arizona. This is from our friends at Carz. This guy was fortunate enough to be able to buy all these cars and found homes for them. So this, I believe, was a couple of years ago. Look at those old Thrush mufflers. Those are new old stock Thrush mufflers, probably worth a couple $100 a piece on eBay. Looks like we've got a white interior car. I have not seen the fender tag. I haven't seen this video yet. This is the first time. It looks like it's probably EV2 Hemi Orange, even though it's faded out quite a bit. And maybe some primer work on this side of the car. It's got a road wheel on it, so I don't know if it originally was road wheels or not. Let's take a look inside. Okay, automatic transmission. We don't know what engine yet. White bucket seats, console of course. No tick-tock tack in there, I didn't see. Lots of rat and mouse droppings everywhere. Oh boy, this thing is just chock full. Now see, this is what I love about dragging some of these cars out. See that that transmission cooler right there? That could have easily been a Hemi transmission cooler. Looks like somebody did some patchwork on the bottoms of the quarters. Ugly. Not the way you're supposed to do it. Again, somebody's done some primering on it, maybe to preserve what paint is under it. Definitely a 69 model. Good looking grill. Looks like the grill and headlight doors are all in decent shape. Car's complete. These are beautiful. If you guys know where one of these are, let us know over at graveyardmotors@yahoo.com, because I'm buying these cars when I find them. Under the hood, power brakes. Looks like drum brakes. Looks like it was an air conditioning car. Some of the air conditioning plumbing has been removed from it. Looks like a Edelbrock intake, Holley carburetor. That's not right, but the engine looks right. Here's our fender tag. I'm going to hit pause right there. Okay. No, I apologize. It's an R6 car. It's a red car. Boy, it faded to orange, or somebody painted it that. There you go. E86 D32 440 Magnum 375 horsepower, 727 automatic. And pretty stripped down other than that. It does have the H51 for air conditioning. Oh, that would be a good car back together again, especially it looks like it's numbers, and it looks like the correct screw is still holding that fender tag. So let's move forward from there. Boy, that rat nest crap, I've seen so many cars with that over the years. Ugly. Still has the original dipstick and tube. Looks like the original radiator, unless he goes in, I can't say for sure. Windshield washer reservoir, block off plates, so it's not an L31 car. It doesn't have turn signal mounted, hood mounted turn signal indicators. Original horn looks like it's there. Heater valve's been changed out. Oh, there's one of the other cars we're going to be talking about, the Charger 500 and a 446 pack 4-speed 70 Coronet RT. Those will be coming up shortly. Again, road wheel. Very good chance this car was a road wheel car. See if there's another one. Now there's a, looks like a 15.7 1970 style rally wheel. Bumblebee stripe car. I couldn't tell fender tag was too dirty, but it looks like a Bumblebee stripe car. Look at that hokey antenna. Now I did the same thing on my 70 Charger, because this was right in the era of Smokey and the Bandit, and everybody wanted a CB. So I did the same thing, except my car had a magnetic one. I didn't punch a hole in the Dutchman panel. Rear body looks pretty good. Deck lid shot, pretty typical for those. Overall, a pretty darn neat car. Yeah. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody.